How to change Spotify color theme. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Spotify color theme. Unfortunately, Spotify doesn't offer any features or options to change its color theme within the application for mobile or desktop. But you'll be able to change it using the device settings. For that, you will need to open your device setting. Once after opening the settings, now you will need to find for accessibility option. Scroll down and find this option. The exact steps may be different depending on the device model. You will need to simply look for the settings option, or you may also use the search bar to find the similar keyword. Now once you find the accessibility option, tap on it to open it. And once after opening, find advanced settings here. Once you find advanced settings, tap on it. And you will reach to this page. Here you will need to look for accessibility button. You'll find this option under accessibility shortcuts. Once you find it, tap on it. And now here in this page you will see select actions option. Tap on select actions. Now after doing that, here you will need to select color inversion option. Tap on color inversion. And once you tap on it, here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the extra icon. Now once you have done that, open your Spotify application on your device. You can play any of the songs. And once you open your Spotify application, here now tap on that new extra icon that looks like a human. Once you tap on it, you will see you have successfully changed the color theme of your Spotify. However, these settings may not provide a permanent solution as it can revert based on app updates or changes in system settings. So you will need to always check for updates from Spotify in the future for any new features related to theme. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.